Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will work on our save and load system in Unity. So basically there are many ways to create save and load system. For example, one of the way is by using the player prefs. We use player pref in our game. If you see the course in which we created that mobile racing game, in that course we use the player pref. But now in this video we will be creating our save and load system using binary formatters because we don't want any player to cheat in the game. So that's why we will be using binary formatters, because they are very hard to read since they are in binary 0 and 1, which make it more secure. So creating binary formatter save load system is really simple, and the good thing about this is that it works on PC and mobile. Now let me explain it to you how our binary system will work, okay, for the save and load system. So first of all, we start by creating a class in Unity that contain the data we want as public variables. For example, public string, public float, public integer, and public bool. Keep in mind that the data types specific to Unity like vector3 or color aren't serializable. This is not a problem since these classes can often represent it using the 4 based data types. For example, a vector 3 can be stored in a float array with 3 elements. It means that, for example, if you want to store the player position, and as you know that the player position can be stored in vector 3 because vector 3 has the x, y, z values. So as I told you, we can't use vector 3 in binary operators. So for that purpose, we use public float, in which we make this float an array with 3 elements. So the first one will be for the x value, the second one will be for the y value, and the third one will be for the z value. So when we have the variables to store, we mark the class as serializable. So now after all of that, the next step is to use binary formatter. The goal of the binary formatter is to read the data of any class, we feed it to and turn it into binary, okay, which is 0 and 1. Then we create a new file on the system through code where the binary formatter can put this data, and when we want to load the data back into our game, we simply open up the file, have the binary formatter convert it back from binary and put it into a Unity class, and in this way our binary formatter works. Okay, we just feed our class data to the binary formatter, it just convert it to a binary file of 0 and 1, and when we want that data back, then by using the binary formatter we just convert it back from binary and we simply put it in the Unity class. So I hope you understand how this system will work, and with this done, in the next video we will start working on our save and load system.